So I've removed those 4 bolts. I think the shock absorber on the top of mine was 9/16. Didn't jiggle free easily, but I think the important thing with this is, again from reading the MG Guru, is that these need to be kept level, because if they tip and that fluid level drops, air gets in and makes this thing inefficient. So I'm hoping I'll keep it level and hopefully they'll be able to service it. But the arms go up and down quite nicely on that one. Oh no! Oh, what an idiot! I've just put it back on the studs. Disaster. Right, I'll get that little rubber bit off, and then I've had a thought with this. What I'm going to do is unbolt the 4 bolts that hold that on, and then I might be able to get that off on the bench. ½ inch. Put that on my shock absorber bolts. Crikey, that's stuck fast as well. That's going to round. Oh, bother. Another abused screwdriver. Come back to that one. No, it's going to round. Better leave that one as well. Right, I'll get that big bolt underneath off, I think, next. Wow, that side was way tougher than the other side. It's come off here. I don't know, this is a sort of lower swivel arm. I'm hoping I can get that off in the vise. We'll get that off anyway. Just got to take that off. I think you have to count how many times you turn it. The only other thing to do is this thing, the start mode switch, which is boggling me a little bit. I don't quite know how these come off. And then all we've got to do then is remove this nut here and remove this universal joint from the steering. And then there's 4 bolts here to take the steering arm off, and then I think these brake pipes will probably just lift off. Yeah, they're all off anyway now. Brake pipe off. Where's my... Yeah, so that's another job. My poor old screwdriver. Yeah, and then that's off. I need to start some sort of appreciation society for abused tools. Right, okay, so I'll get that off and then we can move on to the rear end.